you start your bike, you should run it for at least 20 to 25 minutes before you turn it off or don't start it at all. So I've been riding it for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and turn her off. We got some playing to do, guys, and it's going to start right there. Voila! Say hello to my little friend. Well, that was fun for me. I don't know what you guys thought, but we got a good look at that plant over there, which is now shut down. And we're going to head on over to the bridge where the water is. It'll be my first flight over the water. I'm a little sketched about that, but as I was walking back over here and I started up the bike, I was thinking to myself, man, it's so hard to believe that this thing is 23 years old. And listen to her. Just purrs like a kitten. Yeah, I wrecked this bike and it cost a pretty penny to have it put back the way it was. I've told you the story before, but... And she's even ready for a bath. So, heck guys, let's jump on over to the next spot and launch again. What do you think? Might as well. I wish there was more water in there, but there isn't. It is what it is. There should be soon, though. There should be soon.